Thank you very much. My name is Ogbonnaya, and I just finished a 3 days training with LEARNTOR, courtesy of JCI Nigeria. And during our training, we were given a data set to work with, and this is what I came up with. So on the data set, I was able to clean it up, first of all, before taking it to, I created a column to show the total, to show the unit costs for each product. Then I created a column to show the sales for each product and also the profit the company made selling each product. So after that, I realized that in some of the products, there were gains and there were also losses. So to show the unit costs for each product, then I created the column to show the sales for each product and also the profit the company made selling each product. So after that, I realized that in some of the products, there were gains and there were also losses. So here you see where, if I pick, you can see the loss and the gain. So if I'm able to filter it to loss, we'll see only the losses we made selling the product. They made selling the product rather. So I'm going to go back to selecting all. So this is a clean data set. Then I'm going to show you how I was able to do the report I came up with. Because looking at the data set here, I asked myself a few questions. I wanted to know how much we made per region, how much sales we were able to make per state, the losses, and also the reasons why we made such losses and the reasons why they were growth. So with the reports, I did a report showing sales by state and channels. So here, we'll be able to see that in Ebonyi State, we'll decide the channels that sold more in Ebonyi, right? Sorry, I need to get it
Escape, you're getting it right. Well done. Very proud of you. Escape, and make that map the only screen for us to see. Okay? In front of filter, the next one, the next icon. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, go on.
Thank you very much. So here, sorry, I'm not able to pick. Why is it not showing again? Okay.
You're doing well. Just relax.
Okay. So in Ebonyi State, we made more line through the catalog channel, where they made more sales through the catalog channel than every other channel here. So, and Abuja too made more. Okay, this is Nasarawa, made more sales through the online channel than other channels. So this is how I'm able to come up with the channel sales and the channel and state sales. So here also, this is sales by region, and the Southeast region is topping with regards to sales, then South follows. And this is sales by channels. So the store channel is selling more than every other channel. As you can see, the online channel is just half of store sales. Then if I'm trying to pick the locations of the online stores, and according to the report, it's only one online. Okay, it's still coming up. They have only 3 online stores, and that could be the reason why there is a decline in sales. And that is the reason why store channel is selling more than online. Because if we go to store, we see that the store is littered almost everywhere in Nigeria. And also I'm picking the reseller, and only three reseller outlets in Nigeria. So I'm going to narrow these reports down to the year, the quarter, and the month, so that we see a wider view of what I've been able to do with the data set given to me. So I'm going to pick only 2011. So 2011 is showing that only few places, there were only sales in few places, and that's in Kwara State and also in Ibadan and Benin City. So there was no much coverage in 2011. So, and in 2012, there was still no much coverage, but then the sales increased at Delta State. Okay, Delta State came on board, and there was huge sales in Delta State. Where they made about 800,000 naira. 800,000. So this is sales by region. I've talked about that, and I wanted to look at this promo that brought in huge sales for the company. So that was why I inserted this particular filter. So I'm going to pick a particular promo and look at the day, the time when we had more sales on them. So I'm just picking the Adventist promotion, and this happened in Delta State. So there was no promo on Adventist on 2011. Then there was in 2012, and there was in 2013. I'm very much excited because before doing this data analyst training, I've always wanted to do it, but I've been scared. I've been so scared, maybe because of the name or something. I felt it would be a very difficult course. But then with LEARNTOR, it was very easy. The first day, I was so excited to go on the journey. It was the first day, it was so easy with you, Mercy, and Mr. Deji, yes, and the fact that with every step, Mr. Deji will congratulate you. He will tell you that you're doing excellently well, and that motivated my spirit. So I was so happy to come on this journey, and I feel so great that